Today I'm showing you guys how to make this neon motion smoke effect using your iPhone, and it's free and easy, so let's get started with it.
Make it on my own, but I don't wanna grow up, we can stay forever.
So to do this effect, you're going to want to first download the app Noise. It's completely free to use, so don't worry about that, but you can download it on the App Store, and you're going to want to go into it and go to the video setting at the bottom in the center, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your camera roll and select a video that you want to use this effect on. I suggest using a video that you're kind of moving around a lot just so that the effect shows up a lot more than it would if you were just sitting there. So once you chose your video, you can just click on it to trim it down, and so I was just trimming it so I got rid of all the extra stuff like from the thing that I wasn't screen recording, and then in the top right corner you're going to click the next button and it will bring you here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom left corner that says Effect, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll on that bar until you get to the effect that says Fluid Back, as you can see with the purple smoke. So then you're just going to hold down on the video and you'll see that the pink starts showing up with the yellow bar. And when it plays, if you look at the video, you can see that kind of smoke effect behind Haley. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and that it helps. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you're going to try this or you like it, just comment iEditingX. And I'll be sure to heart a lot of comments. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!